join me in today's video as I tour this model home located in Fulshear Lakes. This model is called the Brockton. This home is going to be 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and located in the heart of Fulshear, with a price tag right around $476,990. This community is an absolute gem in today's market. There's an on-site park, party barn, walking trails. There's going to be a market that is right in front of the community. There's an on-site elementary as well as parks, lakes, and you can do fishing and everything like that. So yes, let's check it out. When it comes to finding the perfect family home, it can sometimes be a bit daunting. And you want to find a place that's not only affordable, but enough, space for everyone. And so amenities that also make life easier. So trying to find a, house in a needle hay, and it's like a needle in a haystack. So you may think that you found the one, but then you realize it's missing maybe, an office or a space for the kids to play, like a backyard. So I think you're going to find that this home has a lot of the things that you are looking for in a home. And I am a local realtor here in the Katy, Texas area. My name is Rita Lewis. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you are visiting again, thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm a local realtor here as well as a home consultant in the Katy, Fulshear, Texas area. And in this video, again, we are looking at Chesmar Homes located in Fulshear Lakes. And this model is the Brockton. And you're going to see this home has a lot of open space, a lot of natural light. And so I know that you're going to enjoy this video. My contact information will be below if you are interested in this home or other homes and you would like me to utilize my resources, because I have built great relationships with many of the local builders here. I would love to use my resources to get you the best possible deal. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy the home tour.